Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have three different job updates for today. So the first company it is Motorola Solutions, and the second one is Indigo, and the third one is Cult.fit. So these are the three companies for today. So we shall quickly see the job details and the eligibility criteria for all of these three companies. So the first company that is Motorola Solutions, and the role they are hiring it is for software engineer, and the salary or the CTC so 8 lakhs per annum, and the position type so they are hiring for experienced graduates, and the work location for this is Bangalore. So we shall see the eligibility criteria and so what are the skills that are required for this. So the role they are hiring it is for software engineer, and the main thing is that they are looking for Python developer. So then coming to the qualification which are needed to apply for this role. So the bachelor's degree in either computer science or electronics or communication. So any other graduates. So those who has knowledge of Python programming, so they are eligible to apply for this role. And then so there is no particular like percentage criteria. So you need to have minimum passing marks to apply for this role. And coming to the tech stack which are needed. So as said it is for experienced graduates. So coming to the tech stack or the programming skills which are needed to apply for this role. So you need to be strong in Python programming or Perl programming, and you need to have knowledge of database that is like the MySQL as well as NoSQL databases, and you need to have knowledge on various OS commands that is operating systems commands and various Linux commands, and then you need to have good troubleshooting skills as well as good communication is needed to apply for this role. So to apply you can just click on apply. So it is through Workday jobs. So there are 5 different ways to apply. So you can autofill with resume, or you can fill like you can apply manually by adding the required details. And if you already have the account with Workday jobs, so you can just edit your application, or you can just use your last application, and you can apply with Seek if you have the account, and the last option is you can apply with LinkedIn. So these are the 5 ways to apply for this role. So you can choose any of these options and you can apply for this company. So this was all about the first company, that is Motorola Solutions, and the second one is Indigo of Campus is hiring, and the role they are hiring it is for full stack developer, and the salary or the CTC they are offering so like 13 plus LPA, and the experience needed so it is for both freshers as well as experienced graduates, like 0 to 3 years of experience is needed to apply for this role, and the work location for this is Gurgaon. So then coming to the skills which are needed to apply, like first thing is the eligibility criteria is that you need to have bachelor's degree in either computer science, engineering or any other related technical streams, and like you need to have experience of 0 to 3 years, like knowledge on complete front end as well as back end, so you need to have hands-on knowledge on these technologies. So the main things is that like coming to the skills which are needed, so as they are hiring for full stack you need to have knowledge on both front end as well as back end. So the front end skills, like you need to have knowledge on HTML5, CSS and the modern JavaScript frameworks such as React or Angular or Vue.js. So these are the skills needed for the front end. And coming to the back end development, so you need to have knowledge on Python, so Node.js or Go programming is needed, and knowledge on various RESTful services and APIs, and knowledge on performance tuning. So these are the main skills which are needed to apply for this role, and knowledge on CI or CD tools like CI or CD pipelines, and knowledge on Git is needed, and also you need to have knowledge on database technologies like SQL as well as NoSQL. So this is the complete tech stack which is needed for to apply for this company. So to apply for this, like first you need to create the separate account. So like if you are Like you can just click on create an account, so do add the required details, your email address, your first name, last name, and your phone number, everything, and you can just register yourself, and later you can directly log in and you can just fill the application for this company. So you can add all the required details and submit. So this was all about the second company, that is Indigo, and the third one, that is Cult.fit Hiring, and the role they are hiring, it is for backend engineer, and the salary they are offering, so the starting salary, so 14 to 23 lakhs per annum, and the experience needed, so 1 to 4 years of experience is needed, and the work location for this is Bangalore. So coming to the years of experience, like as said, 1 to 4 years is needed, and coming to the skills which are required, so they are looking for the backend engineer, so you need to have knowledge on Java programming and Node as well as API and various backend skills. So these are the main skills which are needed to apply for this role. So you need to have knowledge on various API servers, then software designing, performance tuning, and programming skills as well as database skills is needed to apply for this company. So to apply, you can just click on apply now. So this is the simple application form for the Cult.fit. So first is you need to upload your updated resume. So do add the backend related skills, and you can just submit the you can just upload the resume, and the later you can fill your first name, middle name, and your last name, and you need to choose the gender, email address, your contact details, and your current location and the preferred location which you choose to relocate, and you need to choose the notice period. So you can choose the notice period, like if you are an experience, like if you are working in any of the company, and your highest qualification and the years of experience and your current CTC, and then like you need to add some of the details, PAN number and everything, and comfortable for 5 days work from office. So do answer all these questions properly, and you can just submit the application form. So this was all about the third company, that is Cult.fit. So the link for all of these three companies, so it will be provided in the description. You can apply for these companies. So thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.